Ahead of the Independence Day, the people of Moirang have initiated an installation of the Tricolor flag at the INA Martyrs Memorial Complex to celebrate collective strength and unity. Taking to the microblogging site X, the Manipur Chief Minister shared details of the initiative and hailed the installation of the national flag at the Moirang site. He wrote, "As we approach the momentous occasion of Independence Day, the people of Moirang have started the installation of the tricolor at the INA complex in Moirang. The move aims to honor the sacrifices made by the martyrs as well as celebrate the community altogether, extending gratitude to the people for participating in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign." The Manipur Chief Minister stated, "By hoisting the tricolor at this significant site, we not only honor their sacrifices but also celebrate the collective strength and unity of our community. I appreciate the people of Moirang for their support in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign."